Pag-tablet yung hawak mo.
Nagawa ko nga rin sa research, naging wala yung window, hindi pwede.
Sa 7 na ginagawa ko,
Russian authorities secretly recorded a conversation in which one of the Boston bombing suspects vaguely discussed jihad with his mother. That's according to a U.S. official who spoke on condition of anonymity. In another conversation, officials said the suspect's mother talked to a man in southern Russia who's under FBI investigation in an unrelated case. The calls were made 2 years ago, but officials said the Russians shared this intelligence with the U.S. in the past few days. Officials said there was no information in the conversation that suggested a plot inside the U.S. U.S. officials say Tamerlan and Yohar Tsarnaev's mother was added to a federal terrorism database about 18 months before the Marathon explosion. The mother has previously denied any link to terrorism. The brothers, who are ethnic Chechens from Russia, came to the United States about a decade ago with their parents. They're accused of detonating 2 homemade bombs near the finish line of the Boston Marathon. The blast killed 3 people and injured more than 260. The brothers are also accused of killing Officer Sean Collier while he was in his cruiser. Tamerlan was later killed in a police shootout, and Yohar is now in a prison hospital. The 19-year-old has been charged, and authorities say he could get the death penalty. Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.